Hey everyone, ever thought about turning your city into a wild grocery store? Today I'm going to show you some awesome tips on urban foraging. Yes, you heard that right. Free food in your city. Let's dive right in. Alright, first up, let's talk about dandelions. You know those yellow flowers that pop up everywhere? Well, they're not just weeds. Dandelion leaves are packed with vitamins A, C, and K. You can toss them in a salad or even make some dandelion tea. Just make sure to pick them from areas that aren't sprayed with chemicals. Next, we have wood sorrel. These little guys look like clovers and have a tangy lemony flavor, perfect for a refreshingly different snack. You can find them in parks and gardens. Just a heads up, don't eat too much at once, since they contain oxalic acid. Okay, now let's talk about plantain. No, not the banana type. This plant has broad, flat leaves and can be found growing through cracks in sidewalks. The young leaves are great in salads or can be cooked like spinach. They're also known for their medicinal properties like soothing insect bites. Another cool find is the wild garlic. You'll recognize it by its strong garlic smell. The leaves, flowers, and bulbs are all edible. Imagine the flavor boost this can give your dishes. But be careful, it's easy to mistake for similar looking but toxic plants. So, always double check. Let's not forget about berries. Blackberries and mulberries are common in urban areas. They're delicious and can be eaten straight off the bush or used in desserts. Just ensure they're not growing in polluted areas. Before you head out, remember to bring a guidebook or use a plant identification app. And always forage sustainably, take only what you need, and leave some for wildlife. So there you have it, folks. Urban foraging can be a fun and rewarding way to connect with nature and enjoy free food. Give it a try and let me know what you find. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy foraging!